Welcome to the Quick Migrations for MBOX to PST Converter video tutorial. Here we are going to show how to convert MBOX data in Outlook PST format. Let's start the process. Click on the Add File option to add a MBOX file for the conversion. Select a single file or multiple MBOX files at once. Click on the Open button. Click here to select all MBOX files at once, or click on the individual checkbox to select a single MBOX file. Select an option from the conversion options to create a single or separate PST file for MBOX files. Provide a PST file saving location from here. Select the location. Now click on the OK button. Click on the Export button to start the process. The MBOX data has been converted into Outlook PST. Now click on the OK button to finish the process. Thanks for the watching.